Good morning, dear parents. A very warm morning to one and all present here. As a principal of Ganesh International School, I welcome you all to the Ganesh International School as our parents and students to join this family. To tell you something brief about the school is run by the SSP Shikshan Sanstha. The chairman of the school is Mr. S.B. Patil and a trustees who take care of the school. It's a non-profit organization. We have many schools under our banner. GIS, that is Ganesh International School, is going to have many more branches in the near future. We do have a school in Dapodi as Ganesh International School. It's a state board school. A CBSE school in Dapodi under the same banner as Ganesh International School. We have two schools in Chinchwad, an architect college to come up this academic year, and we have a pharmacy college. They are already into the construction business and doing very well. As a family of Ganesh International School, I welcome you all parents. I would love to have you in school, but we are forced to have a virtual meet because of the pandemic situation. My staff members have already joined this session. I already have on board the Vice Principal, Mrs. Priya Nevale, who is in charge of the pre-primary section and the primary section. She will be always interacting with you for any help associated to make your children comfortable in this school. It's a right decision that you have taken to enroll your students with us. Ours is a CBSE school affiliated to the CBSE board, Delhi. We do have the senior secondary school with us. We have two streams, that is the commerce stream and the science stream. We are privileged to have this batch this year for class 11. The pre-primary plays an efficient role in the molding of the child. The right education acquired in the pre-primary, that is before the age of 6, is the right decision and the brain development that takes place. The government is on NEP, that is which focuses on the all-round development today. The NEP is focusing on early childhood education. There is a shift in the system where early childhood education is going to be given more priority. It is at this early stage that the child learns and develops all the skills. To mention a few, which we have already told you during our interview sessions and admission procedures, on the fine motor skills, cognitive skills, emotional skills, life skills, speaking skills, communication skills, and a list that will go on. And I assure you as a principal to take care of the right development of your child. This time the focus is going to be more on hands-on activities, and that is on practical experience. The children are going to do practically what they are going to learn. We are going to focus on field trips, focus on various activities. You will be getting a calendar, the school calendar, that gives you a brief introduction to what we are going to do throughout the year. I would request my teachers to send a soft copy to you about the list of activities that we are going to conduct. On every second Saturday, alternate Saturdays, we would be having a bunch of activities that you will be invited, and you will witness the development of your child. To start with, we would be having the Hindi recitation, the Yoga Day, the Ashadi Ekadashi, the English recitation, Independence Day, the Grandparents' Day, the Sensory Perception, Dwelling, Transport Day, Storytelling Competition, Fancy Dress Competition, the Annual Gathering, the Sports Week, Republic Day, Art and Craft Exhibition, a few that I have mentioned. But I would like to tell you that every day is going to be a different day for your child. The child is going to enjoy coming to school. We just need to wait for the vaccination to be completed, and I am sure the children will start running to school as and when we get the government permission. But to tell you, we will not wait for it. We will, of course, have an online session going on from the 1st of April. For that, we have taken the help of technology. To tell you about the technology, we are having a school management app, the ERP that we have taken from Sunrise Solutions, which is going to help you in receiving homeworks, messages, notices, and various other things which will be updated to you. You will get the attendance of your child and all that the child does from day to day. We would be having our online sessions till the pandemic is on Microsoft Teams. Very soon you will get a password and code where you could operate. We would be again having an online session where we would train you how to get your child acquainted to the online sessions. My teachers will always be there to support you at any given time. But there are a few things that we need to follow, that is the time, protocol, and various other things to interact with the teachers. We will have our open days on every Saturday, where you could always walk into school and find out about your child's progress. Of course, in emergencies, you are most welcome to communicate to me or to the teacher or to the vice principal at any given time. We are there to cater to your needs. We are there as a team. It is the parent, the school, and the society that is going to groom the child into a best citizen, not only of our country, but of the world. We will prepare our children for the globalization. We will train our children to be good human beings. We will nurture the values of honesty and many more to come. Patriotism, cleanliness, health, physical fitness is another one of the strongest strengths of our school. We would be having every day the PE periods where we will focus on health, mental fitness, physical fitness, and of course, the overall development of academics. I would like to, I've already introduced my vice principal to you, Mrs. Priya Nevale. She's there on board. Then I have Mrs. Pooja Bosle, Mrs. Sheetal Page, the in charge of pre-primary teacher, Mrs. Kavita, Mrs. Reshma Nevale, to assist my pre-primary team. We do have our Sanskrit teacher, Mr. Sakaram, who will be associated throughout the year with the art teacher, music teacher, dance teacher, Mrs. Leena, Mr. Pradeep, Mr. Sakaram, and Ms. Akansha to support for the co-curricular activities. We will have the online sessions where your students will be taught all the co-curricular activities. To tell you something what we did last year, we did have online classes for the pre-primary, and it was surprising that the children opted. They knew how to mute themselves, they knew how to answer the teacher, and I think so we have done well enough to a certain extent. Yes, online is not the substitute of the teacher. Technology is not the substitute to the teacher. Emotional bonding and attachment which the school has to give. That is why we still have schools as a top priority for education. Otherwise, at the click of the button, we have information through internet which can teach us but not make us good human beings. To brief you about the school diary, there are a certain do's and don'ts that the parents need to follow. You need to go through the rules and regulations of the school. We do have house systems after class 1 upwards. If the pandemic session is out from us, I would love to distribute your children also into house colors, where we can have house competitions for the pre-primary also. But without having it as a competition, we will have n number of activities this year. To tell you about the assessment pattern, assessment is going to be done on day-to-day basis. We will not focus on examination oriented. It's going to be an all-round development where every day the child will be assessed and helped to nurture the qualities or parameters that we want the child to grow. We would be focusing on development, and for that, dear parents, I need your support. I want you to be only regular. See that the students don't remain absent. The students take part in whatever they do. You are there only to support them. Don't do things for them. Make them independent. Of course, we shall be having a parenting workshop which will help you a lot to be good parents. Sheetal ma'am and Priya ma'am, you could unmute yourselves and just introduce yourselves and then the other teachers to follow. I would request Priya ma'am to unmute herself. I am doing that from my end, Priya ma'am. You could just introduce yourself.
A very warm and beautiful morning to all the parents. I'm Mrs. Priya Nevade, Vice Principal of Ganesh International School. As Honorable Principal Ma'am had already introduced me, that if you have any queries, problem, and you can come and discuss with me. So we've future ahead, we will be seeing that we go together. That's it. Thank you.
Yes, Sheetal ma'am.
Good morning, parents, and welcome to GIS family. Yes, I am the class teacher of senior KG and in charge of pre-primary. We assure you, as from apart from my team, I assure you that your children are going to have an overall development in this academic year. Yes, we are going to be as a family members, and we both together, Miss Parents' hand and teachers' hand will go together to develop our children. Thank you very much.
Kavita ma'am. She is my senior most teacher in this school.
Yes. Good morning, parents. Warm welcome to our GIS family. Yeah, surely the child who has enrolled in the GIS family will be improved a lot, will be developed. So, welcome to GIS family. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Kavita ma'am. Pooja ma'am, could you introduce yourself?
Hello, good morning everyone. I am Pooja Bhosle, class teacher of class nursery. Welcome you all in GIS family. We will try to develop your child from our side. Thank you.
Reshma ma'am. Reshma ma'am.
Very good morning to all. I'm the class teacher of LKG, junior KG, and welcome you all parents in our GIS family. Thank you.
Sheetal ma'am, could you tell about the other LKG teacher?
Yeah. Yes, thank you, ma'am. Yeah, parent, we are having nursery, junior KG 2 divisions and senior KG 2 divisions. Yes, we are having one more teacher. The best teacher with us, we are having Deepali ma'am, Deepali Thakkar. Since she is not here, she is at her native place because of personal reason. But we are having a good team with us. Yes, the pre-primary will be a good team. And I'm assuring you that yes, you will be your children are in the safe hands. They are our children now. Yes, we have accepted them as our children. And yes, we will have an overall development of child, physical, mental, in all sectors.
Thank you, Sheetal ma'am. I would request my IT department to unmute the parents. And if the parents would like to ask me any questions, I'm here to answer you. You all can unmute yourself one at a time. If you have any queries, I'm there to answer. The books will be available. You can contact the admin, and the books and uniform details, admin Mrs. Amruta or Mrs. Manjusha or Mrs. Shweta can assist you at any given time to get to know about the books and uniform. We have some vendors. The school does not provide books and uniform. But yes, we do have our vendors, and their address and phone numbers will be given to you, and you can procure it from them. We would like you to update your email IDs and phone numbers to the admin. Very soon, we will be making a WhatsApp group where you will start getting messages from the class teachers and get associated with the class teachers. Yes, dear parents. अगर आपको मुझे कुछ पूछना है, आप पूछ सकते हैं. काही विचारायचं असेल तर विचारू शकता. I think so. Most of the parents don't have any queries. It's a nice sign. It's a good sign. I have briefed you already. I would only say this, and end, we are meant for transformation. And we, through the education and through a good teamwork, we will transform your children into better citizens of the country. All the best and welcome you all to the GIS team. And I assure you my 100% on behalf of my team. Have a nice day, dear parents. Thank you, one and all.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye, children.
Bye.
Bye.
Thank you, parents. Have a nice day.
Thank you, madam.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye, everyone.
Bye, man. Bye, miss. Bye.
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 Bye bye.
बोलना bye. Thank you.
Bye, beta. Bye, beta.
Have a nice day.
Bye.
Bye.
Okay. Bye, miss.
Bye.
Bye, madam.
Bye bye. Yes.
Bye, teacher.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye. चलो.
Bye, Miss.
Bye, miss. Bye.
Bye, miss.
Bye, miss.
Bye bye. Bye.
Bye, miss. Bye.
आता भूमिका म्हणे तुम्ही कधी गेला तर तुम्हाला काहीच करणार नाही. कधी दुकान दे म्हणे ते. विचारते मी. हे बंद करू की
Serial